Today we're going to be looking at Unit 11, Lesson 2, and we will be telling time to the nearest minute. We'll begin by taking a look at this YouTube video that will give us a review on telling time.
To the nearest minute. We are going to review how to tell time to the nearest minute. Or the shorthand tells us the hour. If you look at this clock, the shorthand, or the hour hand, is in between the 1 and the 2. So to get the hour, we have to go back to the 1. So this clock is showing us that it's at the hour 1. The big hand tells us the minute. On this clock, the minute hand is on the 12. We wouldn't say 1:12. We have to count the big numbers by 5s to find the minute. So this clock would be on the 60 or the 0. So this clock says 1 o'clock. Let's practice when the minute hand is to the nearest minute. There are 5 minutes in between each big number. For this clock, the minute hand is in between the 7 and the 8. So we're going to have to count by 5s until we reach the 7. Then, when we reach the 7, we'll count by 1s till we get to the minute hand. All right, let's try it. So we have the minute hand is in between the 7 and the 8 with 5 minutes in between each number. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. This clock shows 1:38. All right, let's practice another one. This clock has an hour hand in between the 10 and 11, so we go back to the 10. The minute hand is in between the 5 and the 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. This clock shows 10:26. Try another one. On this clock, the hour hand is in between the 6 and the 7, so we'll go back to the 6. The minute hand is in between the 9 and the 10, so we're going to count by 5s and then 1s until we can reach where that minute hand is. All right, let's count by 5s until we get there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. This clock shows 6:49. Remember, don't forget the small hand is the hour hand, and don't forget the big hand is the minute hand.
Okay, boys and girls, so we are going to now get into today's lesson, which, like I said before, is lesson 2 of Unit 11. And the objective reads, today I will tell and write time to the nearest minute. Our key vocabulary, the hour hand, which is the shorter hand, the minute hand, which is the long hand. Hour goes at the beginning of the time. Minutes are found at the end. We also know that a day has 24 hours in it, and an hour has 60 minutes in it. The AM is considered the morning hours and lasts for 12 hours from midnight to noon. And then the PM is the afternoon hours, and that will go from 12 noon to midnight. So let's take a look at our first problem. Our directions say, tell and write time to the nearest minute. So first we're going to look at our shorthand, which is 1. Okay. And then let's look at our long hand, the minute hand, and we see that it's between the 3 and the 4. So let's begin counting by 5s. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So for the time we see that it is 1:18. Let's go to the next one. What time is it? All right, this one is already filled in at 10:52. And how did we get that answer? Even though, boys and girls, the shorthand looks as though it's pointing at the 11, it is not quite 11 o'clock. It's on its way to being 11 o'clock. So this hour hand is still reading 10. And then for the minute hand, we'll count by fives: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 10, 52. Okay, now these are the two problems that are in your book. So we can do them together. So tell and write time to the nearest minute. We'll do the same thing. So looking at the hour hand, boys and girls, we see that the hour hand is between the 12 and the 1. So that's a 12 there. And then taking a look at the minute hand, let's count by fives: 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. Okay, so the time is 12:21. Number 2, what time is it? Let's take a look at first the hour hand or the shorthand. So we see that the shorthand is between the 3 and the 4. So it's on its way to being 4 o'clock. But right now, the hour is still at the 3 or 3. And then the minute hand: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So the time is 3:38. Okay, so we're done with the guided group practice work. So you're going to be completing the final check for understanding. You'll also be taking a look at the student practice. And then also try doing the challenge problems, okay? So that concludes today's lesson. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care.